Let's dive into Goa's delicious and affordable food scene. In Goa, your taste buds can embark on an adventure as exciting as your travel. The local food scene is a gastronomic treasure trove that's kind on your wallet. Street food stalls are abundant, offering a myriad of flavorsome options to sate your hunger without breaking your budget. From the bustling lanes of Mapusa Market to the lively stalls at Kalangut Beach, each corner of Goa presents a unique culinary experience. Here you can savor the authentic taste of Goan cuisine. Be sure not to miss out on the local delicacies. Try the spicy prawn balcao, a fiery dish that'll set your taste buds ablaze, or the flavorful pork vindaloo, a staple of Goan cuisine. If you have a sweet tooth, the bebinca, a traditional layered dessert, is a must-try. Small, family-run restaurants, often hidden away in the narrow alleys, are another budget-friendly option. These cozy eateries serve home-cooked meals that are as heartwarming as they are delicious. You'll find an array of Goan dishes, from the aromatic fish curry rice to the rich and creamy chicken zakudi. Remember, the joy of eating in Goa is not just about the food, it's about the vibrant atmosphere, the friendly locals, and the stories that unfold over shared meals. So fill your plates, feed your soul, and make your taste buds dance with joy in this culinary paradise.